All right, welcome guys. Today what we're going to be working on is utilizing the Sure Cuts a Lot program. And Sure Cuts a Lot is a vinyl cutting program that syncs with your vinyl cutter. And a lot of things you can do with your vinyl cutter is create merchandise, t-shirts, joggers. You can make hats, you can make window treatment for your windows in your office. You can do cups, Yeti coolers, any of those types of things. So it's very useful. Today we're just going to be working on specifically t-shirts. Okay. So first thing you'll do is when you open up your program, you see Sure Cuts a Lot 4. All right. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and import your file. Now the types of files that you can import have to be what's called a vector image. And if you want to do a little bit more research about a vector image, you should go ahead and look that up. But essentially this is a file that's being prepared. It should be transparent and it should be saved in a certain particular way. So what we'll do is we'll find any type of file. We'll find, okay, we got TFC, right? So we're going to go ahead and open this up. And now what we just placed this on is called the mat. So this big rectangle that's 15 by 36 replicates the vinyl that you're going to be putting inside of your vinyl cutter. So it has to be the exact same dimensions for the image to come out right. A lot of times you'll find vinyl in either 20 or 15 inches, and it's usually like, you might find a 36-inch sheet of vinyl. So what we're going to be doing is we've already imported our file, and now we want to check the size of the file. So we go over to the right hand side in this column right here, and you'll see right now it's 13 inches. Now typically we do t-shirts at about 11 inches if you want to go across the chest. If you want to do a pocket, you can go down to a 3.5 inch, and if you want to do maybe like a tag, you can even go maybe 2 to 2.5 inches. All right, but we're gonna go back up with the t-shirt, maybe for like a large or extra large. So we're gonna go with an 11-inch width. All right, keep this selected. That's gonna keep your portion, so when you start moving your image around, it doesn't distort it. Okay. Now something else to consider. You want to save as much vinyl as possible. So down here is the beginning of your vinyl. So what you want to do is rotate your image and maybe drag it up here, okay? And what that does, it gives you the ability to utilize all the rest of this vinyl. So for instance, if I wanted to, create some more images, I can go into that and get real creative when you're trying to save vinyl about how to utilize that space. So all right, I have my image on here. I have my mat set up properly. And if you want to change the size of your mat, you go right here to cutter, go to mat size. You can go to custom mat size. And let's say I had a 20-inch width, okay? I can change it up. I can do like this, or let's say that I didn't have that much vinyl. What I can do is change it again. I can go down to let's say I just wanted to go 15 by 15. All right, I can do that as well. After you have the correct mat size for your vinyl and you have your image already imported and it's the right size also, you can come down to cut with GCC. Click on cut with GCC. Everything should stay the same according, to your particular settings, okay? What we typically do at the focus campaign is we do a multi-cut. Multi-cut just ensures that the vinyl comes through with a nice clean cut. You may have to adjust pressure according to what type of vinyl you're using, but typically everything else stays the same. All right. After that, all you do is hit the cut button. I don't have my vinyl cutter set up. It's not connected right now, so you're not going to actually see me go through the entire process. But essentially you will hit cut and it'll start cutting, okay? All right, thank you very much.